Choice. We all have choices to make each and every day. Sometimes the choices can result in a positive or negative impact on the things that we are doing because we haven't set our intentions to begin with. In order to stay out of the negative outcome, we have to show gratitude for where we are and what we already have. Are you where you need to be? By not making a choice, we still make a choice. So today, as you reflect on the results that you have, take the time to choose wisely and make the most of the time you have.